Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to download MOcreatures. So first of all, you'll need these jars. So I'll put them in a link in the description below. And first of all, let's start. First of all, open Minecraft. If you have any mods on your computer, it doesn't work it's not very good. Press on options, forced update, done. Log in. Now let's wait for it to download packages. There we go. Now whatever you need to do now is to click here, then run, and it'll come in the first place. Press on run. Now as you can see, I wrote here app data, so you need to write that, and then app data, and then do that again, and okay. Now it will open your Minecraft. If you press on .minecraft on bin, right click it, open with winrar. Now you'll need winrar too. I'll put a link in the description, or if you have 7-zip it will work too. So yeah. So let's start bringing them in. Mod loaders, you open mod loader first, then you take them all, put them inside .minecraft. Oh yeah, I forgot an important thing, to delete winrar first. Then you can put, because if you don't delete it, it will have a black screen. Then you'll have Minecraft jar, put that in too. Then GUI API, you'll need that too. Flash it all and then put it inside the Minecraft jar. Now we're done with this. Now you close the Minecraft jar, you go back. Now if you already have now whatever you need to do is to make new folder, write mods, click. Now open mods, take custom mob spawner into mods, then take MOcreatures into mods too. Now close this. Now open Minecraft, log in, now as you can see it worked. It says you have 2 mods, and for it to, if you want to check that it happened, go to global mod settings, and there you go, you have Dr. MOcreatures. That's how you know it worked. Okay, I'm gonna end this video, and that's how you download MOcreatures.